Introduction.
Investors in the football fund have a new passion that they can get involved with and wake up to every day in terms of what players have we signed, what coaches have we signed, what investments have we made, and most importantly, it will make them money in the world of football.
The London Nominees Football Fund is an innovative and exciting open-ended private equity fund that gives investors access to the enormous profits of the world's #1 sport, football.
People will probably think of the football fund as purely buying maybe a football club and getting involved in a football club. Now, that's not the case.
Managed by a complete team of football experts, proven business professionals, fund managers and financial advisors, with monthly valuations, an annual dividend and a defined exit strategy. The football fund is ideally constituted to service investors as the world's premier sports investing opportunity.
First word that comes to mind is balance. You have the balance between the business acumen, because it is a business, it is a high level, multifaceted business, so you need those people, counterposed with the people such as the footballers. So you've got the balance of the economic aspects with the football specific aspects.
The football fund's investment team is led by Carlos Alberto Torres and Brian Robson, legendary captains of Brazil and England, alongside football experts Jim Smith, Steve McMahon, Peter Reid, Neil Sillett and Steve Darby, with legal, finance and business professionals Steve Burkill, Andrew Leopard, Gary Kennedy, John Kay and Jim Taff. We asked the directors and advisors of the fund to comment on the distinctive makeup of the football fund's team.
With Carlos Alberto Torres, vast experience from Brazil, Brian Robson's success, determination, their knowledge of the game, knowledge of investment opportunities, and their experience in buying and selling players at profit is really second to none within the game.
Carlos Alberto was the captain of Pelé. This man is here with us to do something which is authentic, to try to make football as a passion, as an honest way of creating a new concept in finance, in the sport we all love so much.
The size and the magnitude and the gravitas of the business panel, such as Steve Burkill, exceptional reputation, very, very well thought of in the legal world. Our senior business advisor, Mr. Jim Taff, who quite frankly is known as the man who saved Lloyd's. So a very heavyweight man indeed. And what he doesn't know about risk, we can write on the back of a postage stamp.
I think it's right. The ingredients are all there. It's actually putting them together and making that nice cake, and I think we've got that.
A major feature of the football fund is its diversified investment portfolio.
In a good investment portfolio, you would have different types of investment, so that if one presents a risk or one goes down, you are not having a domino effect whereby the same factors can affect the other investments.
The London Nominees Football Fund invests in players.
By definition, there should be a superstar out here. There's got to be a superstar.
Academies.
Bringing in young players from all over the world and bringing them up to a very good standard.
Real estate and merchandising.
Shirts, key rings, coffee cups, you name it.
And football reality TV show.
The reality show side of it is a massive bonus. And we've seen what happens in reality TV and the potential reality shows has.
And through this broad-ranging portfolio, the football fund will generate a strong and positive return on investment.
Clearly, different classes of investment will produce different levels of profit. Some of our investments may be a straight loan with a fixed rate of interest, and where that makes sense, that would provide a basic return. Some of the medium-term investments we would expect to produce upper double-digit rates of profit. In some instances, such as the selling of players, one could expect profit to be 100% plus. Overall, we do believe we'll be able to return a very good rate of interest to the investors.
With reality TV and with the buying and selling of players and the developing of the new talent through our contacts across Asia and Latin America, we're very, very confident that we're going to give superior returns.